x square, another question, x square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. xy are natural numbers, xy are natural numbers, xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? Now see here, x square minus y square is 1, 2, 3, 4. Method 1. Again a speed calculation concept, speed calculation approach. Next is even or odd approach, speed calculation approach. X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. Rahul, I am taking the unit digit. Only I am playing with the unit digit on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Right, unit digit in the right hand side is 4. So what will be the cases? 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 1 it is 4. 6 minus 2 it is 4. 7 minus 3 it is 4. 8 minus 4 it is 4. 9 minus 5 it is 4. 1 minus 7, 10 carried. 11 minus 7, 4. 12 minus 8, 4. 13 minus 9, 4. I hope it is clear. Suppose this is an example. 31 minus 17, 10 carried. It will give 4. 4 is can be obtained if I subtract 7 with 1. 1 will carry 10 from the tens place. These are all the possible cases. Am I right? 4 minus 0, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 11 minus 7, 4. 12 minus 8, 4. 13 minus 9, 4. Now see here. Any y square is a perfect square. It cannot end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place will be even. Perfect square ends with even number of zeros. What is even minus 0? Even. Tens place should be even, but tens place is odd. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. 5 square 25, 15 square 225. These also even. What is even minus even? Even. What is the tens place here? Odd. So answer is no value for x comma y exists. No value for x comma y exists. Similarly, 5 also I want you to do on your own in case if you are unable to solve it. Any perfect square ending with 9, tens place is even. A perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. What is even minus even? Even minus even is even, but the tens place is odd. So answer is no value for x comma y exists. No value for x comma y exists. X square minus y square is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is ending with 4. 4 minus 0, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 11 minus 7, 4. 12 minus 8, 4. 13 minus 9, 4. A perfect square can never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So these, any perfect square ending with 4, tens place is even. Even minus 0, even. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. Even minus even, even. Even minus even, even. So according to speed calculation approach, I got the answer as no value for x comma y. No value for x comma y exists. No value for x comma y exists. Method number 1. Method number 2. Please write down. Question is x square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. xy are natural numbers. xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? Method true. Method 2. Even and odd approach. Even slash odd approach. Even slash odd approach. Now see here. This is nothing but x plus y into x minus y. Let me put the right hand side as a k. If x is even, y is even. X is even, y is odd. X is odd, y is even. X is odd, y is odd. So the first case, even plus even is even. Even minus even is even. Am I right? This case, any even number is of the form 2k1. Here also 2k2. Answer is divisible by 4. Even and odd or even. Even number on square, even. Odd number on square, odd. Even minus odd is odd. Odd number on square, odd. Even number on square, even. Odd minus even is odd. Right hand side is odd. Odd plus odd, it is even. Odd minus odd, it is even. Answer is divisible by 4. That means x square minus y square equivalent to k. This will have integral solutions. This will have integral solutions only if k is an odd number, only if k is an odd number and k is a multiple of 4. Please write down, sir. X square minus y square equivalent to x square minus y square equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. Only if k is an odd number and k is a multiple of 4. Where all cases it is a multiple of 4, x is even, y is even. X is odd, y is odd. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last two digits should be divisible by 4. 34 is not divisible by 4. So answer for this question is no value. Answer for this question is no value for x comma y exists. Answer is no value for x comma y exists. I hope the idea is clear. X is even, y is even, 1 is lowest is when both are even, it is divisible by 4. If both are odd also, it is divisible by 4. 1 even, 1 odd. Even minus odd is odd. Odd minus even is also odd. Please make a note of it. Now we will draw a conclusion. Now we will draw a conclusion. Till here, I hope it is clear. Till here, I hope it is clear. X square minus y square equivalent to k. K should be either divisible by 4 or k should be an odd number. These 4, can I write it as 2 into 2 into or 2 into 2 into a or an odd number or an odd number. Very, very important learning. Very, very important learning. Please see here, sir. This is for x square minus y square equivalent to k. If I take x power 4 minus y power 4 equivalent to k, where x, y are natural numbers, this will be x minus y into x plus y into x square plus y square equivalent to k. If x is even, y will be even. If x is odd, y will be even. If x is even, y will be odd. If x is odd, y will be odd. See here, even minus even, 2k1. Even plus even, 2k2. Even square, even, plus even square, even. 2k1, 2k2, 2k3. Divisible by 8. First case. Odd number on power 4, odd. Even number on power 4, even. Odd minus even, it is odd. Even number power 4, even. Odd number power 4, odd. Even minus odd is odd. Last case, odd minus odd, even. Odd plus odd, even. Odd plus odd, even. Again it is divisible by 8. That means again this equation has integral solutions only if k is an odd number and k is a multiple of 8. So if 2 is there, I got 2 into 2. Am I right? If 4 is there, I got 2 into 4. Let us, general conclusion, let us derive it. X square minus y square equivalent to k. It has integral solution only if k is an odd number or it is a multiple of the power, it is 2. X power 4 minus y power 4 equivalent to k. It has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 2 into 4, which is 8. Please write down this conclusion. Write down this conclusion. X power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n has integral solutions. Only if k is a 2 into 2 power n or k is an odd number. Extremely important key point. Please write down. Very, very important key point. Based upon this example, if it is x power 8 minus y power 8 equivalent to k, these as integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 8 into 2. So which is nothing but it should be divisible by 16. Please make a note of it, sir. Very, very important learning. X power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n equivalent to k. It has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or it is a multiple of 2 into power. Power is 2 power n. Please make a note of it, sir. Please make a note of it. X power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n equivalent to k. It has integral solutions only if k is a odd number or a multiple of 2 into 2 power n. Please write down few examples. Examples. First example. This is an original CAT question. X square minus y square equivalent to 9876 543210 when xy are natural numbers. When xy are natural numbers, how many values xy will take? X square minus y square equivalent to k. Already we did this. So it is actually it takes 5 minutes to solve. But because you know my shortcuts, maximum 10 seconds you can solve this question. Maximum 10 seconds you can solve this question. So what is the approach? Approach for this question is, we already discussed x square minus y square equivalent to k. These has integral solutions. These has integral solutions only if k is an odd number. Only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. K is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. 10 is not a multiple of 4. So answer for this question is no value for x comma y exists. No value for x comma y exists. I hope the idea is clear. X power 4 minus y power 4, 783 452. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. How many values x and y can take satisfying this equation? X power 4 minus y power 4, right, is equivalent to 783452, right? xy are natural numbers. Rahul, you are getting confused. I said right hand side can be an odd number or a multiple of 4. When it will be a multiple of 4? When x is even, y is even. Or when x is odd, y is odd. When it will be an odd number? X is even, y is even. X is odd, y is odd. You are getting confused, right? Right? If k is an odd number, how it is? No. Your understanding, I hope it is clear. K will be an odd number when one is both are even or both are odd. R case, these both are two different. K is a multiple of 4. When both are even, it is. When k is an odd number, when it will be an odd number? When it will be an odd number? It will be an odd number when 1 is an, x is even, y is odd, or x is odd, y is even. I hope the idea is clear. Next one, x power 4 minus y power 4 equivalent to, right? So what is the logic? X power 4 minus y power 4 equivalent to k. This will have integral solutions. This will have integral solutions only if k is an odd number, k is an odd number, or k is a multiple of 8. K is a multiple of 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. 8 5s are 40, 52. 8 6s are 48. Not possible. Answer is no value for x comma y exists. No value for x comma y exists. I hope the idea is clear. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you. If this concept is clear to you, kindly reply. Everybody, beautiful concepts, we are going to solve it in the class, sir. Everybody, I hope the idea is clear. Next one, please write down. Question, x square ends with 64. X square ends with 64. How many 2-digit values? How many 2-digit values? How many 2-digit values x takes? How many 2-digit values x takes? X square ends with 64. How many 2-digit values x will take? Now see here, solution. But before that one, concept. X square 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square, all has same last 2 digits. All has same last 2 digits. X square 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square has same last 2 digits. 4 square is 16. 50 minus 4. 46 square is 2116. Again 16. 50 plus 4. 54 square is 2916. Again last 2 digits is 16. 100 minus 4. 96 square. Again last 2 digits is 9216. You can find 46, 54, 96 very fast. That also we will discuss. I hope it is clear. 16, 2116, 2916 and 9216. From here, we will solve the question. X square ends with 64. X square ends with 64. X lowest value is 8. X lowest value is 8. So 50 minus 8, 42 square. 50 plus 8, 58 square. 100 minus 8, 92 square. 42 square is 1764. 58 square is 3364. 92 square is 8464. How many 2-digit numbers x can take? X can take 42, x can take 58, x can take 92. Total 3 values it can take. I hope it is clear. X square 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x square. This is an example to convey the point. 4 square is 16. 46 square, x is 4, 50 minus 4, 50 plus 4, 100 minus 4, 100 plus 4, and so on. Why I took only these numbers? Because the next number is 100 plus 8. 100 plus 8 is 116 square, which is 11664. It is not possible. I hope it is clear. Till now we did the square of a 2-digit number. Now we will do the square of a 3-digit number. Please write down. Square of a 3-digit number. 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 Same concept we can use. Type 1 and type 2. Suppose 317 whole square I require. I know the concept that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So 317 square. A can be 31, b can be 7. So this is nothing but 31 square. 2 into 31 into 7 and 7 square. A is 3 and b is 17. So a is 3, b is 17. A square, next is 2ab and next is b square. This is 9. 6 17s are 102. 17 square is 289. Here b is taking 1 digit. Here b is taking 2 digits. So 18 9. 2 carried. 102 plus 2. 104. Last 2 digits is 04. 1 carried. 9 plus 1 is 10. Please write down this point. If b takes k digits, all the places other than the leftmost place, it will have k digits. That is because you write it as 3 into 100 plus 17 square. Zeros will be there at the end. Please write down. Either you can use this method or you can use this method. 31 square solving is a little difficult. So I go with 3 with 17 square. A square, 2ab and b square. 9, 102 and 289. Last 2 digits if I write 18, 9. 2 carried. 102 plus 2 is 104. So 04. 1 carried. So answer is 100,489. Sir, which method to use depends upon the nature of the number. For example, one more. 414 square. 414 square can be solved by using 41 with 4 square. Next it is 4 with 14 square. 4 with 14 square is easy compared to 41 with 4. So these a square, next is 2ab and next is b square. This is 16. 56 2s are 112. 14 square is 196. Write down the last 2 digits. 96. 1 carried. 112 plus 1 is 113. 13. 1 carried. 171396. 171396. A square, 2ab and b square. 16 112 196. 14 is last 2 digits. 96. 1 is carried. 112 plus 1 113. 13 1 is carried. 171396. Now whether should I use this method or should I go with another method? Write down type 2. 171396. Write down type 2. Another method to find the square of a number, type 2, which is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. Minus b square, if it takes to the right hand side, a minus b into a plus b square. plus b square. Now see here, suppose I want 98 square. 98 is nearer to which power of 10? 10 square, 100. A is 92. B is the difference between 98 and 100, which is 2. 98 minus 2 into 98 plus 2 square, which is 96 into 100 plus 4, 9604. 9604. What is B here? B is the difference between number and assumed base. B is the difference between number and an assumed base. Suppose another example, 992 whole square. 992 is nearer to 1000. So these 992 minus 8, 992 plus 8 plus 8 square, which is 984 into 1000 is 3 zeros. 8 square is 64. 984064. 984064. I hope the concept is clear. Ideally, this logic is used when the numbers are closer to. Multiples of 10 or powers of 10. Multiples of 10 or powers of 10. When the numbers are closer to multiples of 10 or powers of 10. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. What are the two important learnings? B is nothing but the difference between number and assumed base. B is the difference between number and assumed base. 98. 98 is nearer to 100. So 98 minus 2 into 98 plus 2 square. 992 square. 992 minus 8. This is the absolute difference between. Absolute means either 992,000 or 1000 and 992. Idea clear? Third example. Please write down. Third example. Variety of questions in our class. 991 square. 106 square. 1003 square. Directly you will get the answer. 991 square. 106 square. 1003 square. 991 minus 9. 982. 1000 is 3 zeros. Plus 9 square 81. Answer is 982081. 982081. 106. 106 plus 6, 112. 100 is 2 zeros. 6 square is 36. 11236. Another one. 1003 plus 3, 1006. 1000 is 3 zeros. 3 square is 9. Answer is 106,009. 106,009. I hope it is clear. Suppose if it is 62 square. Base if it is 60, these 62 minus 2 into 62 plus 2 square. Another one. If the base is 70, 62 minus 8 into 62 plus 8 plus 8 square. You solve any one, you will get the answer 3844. I hope the logic is clear. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. 991 is nearer to base 1000. So k is 9. It is nearer to 100. Base is 6. It is nearer to 1000. Base is 3. It is nearer to 60. Base is 2. Nearer to 70, base is 8. Idea clear? Idea clear? 991 square, 106 square, 1003 square and 62 square. 3, 4, 5, 6. Kindly reply in the live chat if everything is clear to you. Depending upon the nature of the number, you take either a plus b whole square or you go for a square minus b square. Please write a note in your notebook. A square minus b square is the best logic when the numbers are closer to multiples of 10 power k or the multiples of 10 are nearer to the powers of 10. Multiples of 10 are nearer to the powers of 10. Everybody kindly reply, sir. Everybody clear, right? Next one. Next one. Specific techniques. Please write down. Specific techniques. Specific techniques. Specific techniques. Please write. Concept 1. Concept 1. Backtracking method. Backtracking method. What is this method? This backtracking method will be used for squares of all the numbers, squares of all the numbers till 35, squares of all the numbers till 35. If you know till 25, it is enough, sir. 19 square 361, 20 square 400, 21 square 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 529, 24 square 576, 25 square 625. See here, sir. I want 28 square. Step number 1. 28 is how much far from 25? 3 units far. 3 units back is 22 square 484. Because it is 3 units, add 300. Answer is 784. 32 square is there. 32 is nearer to 25. How many ahead? 7 units. Go 7 units back. 18 square 324. 7 units is 700. Answer is 1024. 34 square. 34 is how many units ahead of 25? 9 units. Go 9 units back. 16 square 256. 9 units 900. 1156. This backtracking method is used to find the square of all the numbers till 35. 32 square I need to determine. 32 is 7 units ahead of 25. Go 7 units back. 25 minus 7 is 18. 18 square is 324. 7 units add 700. 7 units add 700. 34 square. 34 is 9 units ahead of 25. Go 9 units back. 25 minus 9 is 16. 16 square is 256 plus 900. 31 square. 6 units ahead. 6 units back. 19. 361. 6 units add 600. Answer is 961. These only use till squares till 35. Now what will happen if it is from 35? Concept 2. Please write down. Very interesting concept, sir. Concept 1. I hope it is clear. Concept 2. Concept 2. Squares of the numbers. Squares of the numbers from 35 to 75. Squares of the numbers from 35 to 75. Squares of the numbers from 35 to 75. Concept. 50 plus x whole square equivalent to 25 plus x slash x square. X square is a 2-digit number. What is this? We will discuss the proof. 50 plus x whole square equivalent to 25 plus x slash x square. Proof. Example. 123 is there. I kept a slash before 2 digits. It is 1 into 100 plus 23. Am I right? Before 2 digits means slash is kept before hundreds place. 50 plus x whole square, which is 50 square plus 2 into 50 into x plus x square, which is 2500 plus 100x plus x square, which is 25 plus x into 100 plus x square. X square is a 2-digit format. Before 2 digits, if I keep a slash, the value is nothing but 100. Am I right? Before 2 digits, if I keep a slash, the value is into 100. Before 2 digits, if I keep a slash, what is the value? It is into 100. Please write down, sir. 50 plus x whole square is 25 plus x slash x square. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Is it clear? 50 plus x whole square is 25 plus x slash x square. X square. X square is a 2-digit format. 50 plus x whole square is 25 plus x slash x square. X square is in a 2-digit format. X square is in a 2-digit format. See here. Example. 59 square, which is 50 plus 9 whole square. X is 9. 25 plus 9, 34. 9 square is 81. Answer is 3481. If it is 62 square, 50 plus 12 whole square. X is 12. 25 plus 12 slash 12 square, which is 37 slash 144. Last 2 digits is 44. 1 carried. Answer is 3844. If it is 48 square, this will be 50 minus 2 whole square. X is minus 2. 25 minus 2 slash minus 2 square. 23. 4 in a 2-digit format is 04. I hope the idea is clear. X can be plus or X can be minus. X can be plus or X can be minus. I hope it is clear. 50 plus 59 square. X is 9. 34, 81. X is 12. 37, 144. 44, 1 is carried. 38, 44. X is minus 2. 25 minus 2 slash minus 2 square, which is 2304. 2304. Now please write down. 50 plus x whole square. It is nothing but 25 plus x slash x square. X square is a 2-digit format. How many values x can take? X square can take. How many values x square can take satisfying this equation? How many values x square can take satisfying this equation? Now see here. 50 plus x whole square is 25 plus x slash x square. X square is a 2-digit format. This is the logic. 50 plus x whole square equivalent to 25 plus x slash x square. This logic is used for all the numbers squares from 35 to 75. Squares from 35 to 75. That means x value can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen carefully, sir. 6. 75, right? So 75 means x can go up to 25. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on up to 25. And so on up to 25. So which all cases it is possible? Let us see. 0 square possible, 1 square 1 possible, 2 square possible, 3 square 9 possible, 4 square 16 possible, 5 square 25 possible, last two digits, 6 square 36 possible, 7 square 49 possible, two digit numbers all are different, 8 square 64 possible, 9 square 81, 10 square is 100, already we have taken, it is not possible. That means if I take 0 square, 10 square and 20 square, last two digits will be same. These two cases we should not take. 11 possible, 12 possible, 13 possible, 14 possible. If I take 5, 15 square 225, 25 square 625, 15 and 25 cannot be taken. 16 till 19. I hope it is clear. Next one, 21, it is possible. 22 possible. 23 possible. 24 possible. How many cases that are possible? We will see. So total from 0 to 25, 26 values are there. In that one, 10 square not possible. 20 square not possible, 15 square not possible, So next one, 25 square not possible. So 26 minus 4, 22 values it can take. These x square can take 22 distinct values. I hope it is clear, right sir? Because I want the squares from 35 to 75. I want the squares from 35 to 75. X can go up to 25. X can go up to 25. So from 0 to 25, all the values I gave it to x. 0 square is 0, 0, 0. 10 square is 100, 0, 0. 20 square is 400, 0, 0. If I take 0 square, 10 square and 20 square I cannot take. 5 square is 25. 15 square and 25 square I cannot take. I hope it is clear. So 10 not possible, 20 is not possible, 15 not possible, 25 not possible. From 0 to 25, 26 values, 4 cases are not possible. So what is the answer? 22. X square will take 22 values. I hope the idea is clear. Square of the backtracking number, square of the number still 35. What are all the concepts that we discussed till now? We discussed till now how to find the square of a 2-digit number, how to find the square of a 3-digit number using these logic, how to find the square of the numbers which are nearer to multiples of 10, how to find out x square ends with 54. Answer is no value of x. Questions based on x square plus or minus y square equivalent to k. I hope it is clear. Then a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Then we discussed squares of the numbers till 35. Then we discussed from 35 to 75. From 35 to 75. I hope till here everything is clear to you. Kindly reply in the live chat. Kindly reply in the live chat if all these concepts are clear to you. All these concepts are clear to you. Kindly reply.